The community of 7 Miles Bull Bay is no longer under quarantine. The order was lifted at midnight, hours after an announcement by the Prime Minister. TVJ News visited the area today, where a resident said outsiders treated them with scorn while under lockdown.
Black people are in a taxi. See, we are driving bus, non-stop, that's all. No taxi.
Before the lockdown, the community was tense due to gang violence. The security forces were able to calm tempers.
My back so it gone, but it can there still same way because we not tell like community more. You see me? Organize and everybody stay there. Say the government did that. Take part in the community, same like when do the curfew. Same way, everything in alright. You wouldn't have no crime in the community them. And that thing for do. I love when I have that headpiece there, you see me? And put out for the youth, them and make the youth them know the thing. So them can do it again too.
Bull Bay was placed under quarantine shortly after it was discovered that the first person in Jamaica to be tested positive for COVID-19 spent time in the community.